Hey guys, welcome back to DJ's Workshop. So today I'm going to be looking at my lawn tractor. I'm sure you guys have a lot of the similar problems that I do. Um, when the tractor sits over the winter, you're not cutting grass with it, it's just sitting there. And you have to, put your stabilizer in the fuel and put a battery tender on and whatnot. But one of the things that's a problem is this tire keeps going flat on me. And I checked it to see if there was a nail or something in it, but it's not. So let me show you what's going on with it and how we're going to fix it. Stay tuned. All right, so the problem is it's not the valve stem, it's not the tire leaking from a nail. What it is as these tires get older, they tend to dry rot. And then what happens is the sidewalls crack. So if you look at your tire, you'll see cracks in the sidewall. So there's two things you can do. You can either replace the tire, or we can put an inner tube in it, which will inflate the tire and keep it inflated without it leaking out through the cracks. So I'm going to go the tube route because it's a little bit cheaper, and these tires still have good tread on them, so we're going to go that way. All right, so first thing I got to do is there's a cotter pin in here that we got to pop off, and then this will just slide right off. So let me get my floor jack, we'll lift this up a little bit, and we'll pop that off of there. Okay, so there is a pin on here that we need to get out. And just be careful it doesn't go flying because it is spring loaded. It's just a little C-clip. There's a washer on here, and then this will come right off. All right, so the next thing we need to do is break this bead off of here so that we can get the tube inside. There's a lot of different ways you can do it. If you have a tire machine, obviously it's easier because it'll just pop it off for you. Some people will try jumping up and down on it to pop it. Some people will run it over with another tire just to push down on it. You can try screwdrivers. So let me see what method's going to work for me, and then we'll get that in there. Okay, so the method I decided to use, just because I have the ability to, is I just put it underneath my bucket here on my quad, and I just let it down, and it just popped it right off the bead. So most people won't have that, but like I said, a bunch of different ways you can do it, but basically you have to just pop it off of the bead. Okay, so once you get the tube inside of there, you want to get it over the lip of the rim so that it's not going to pinch on here. And then you have the valve stem. Make sure you line that up. Poke it through the hole. Just try to wiggle it out so you see it like that. And now we got to put the tire back on the rim. To do that, we got to use the screwdrivers again, but you got to be very careful that you don't poke the tube and pop a hole in it. All right, so I just put a pair of vice grips on here just to gently hold this tube because you don't want it popping back in after you get this all back on there. So we're going to start working our way around again. Like I say, just try to grab just the edge of the rim so you're not grabbing the tube. Okay, I'm just using this to kind of hold it in place for me, and then, like I say, just work your way around. And now it's popped back on there. Like I say, you want to make sure that the valve stem is sticking out. Okay. All right. Now we're going to get our air pump. And then we'll go ahead and put some air in this. Okay, so you can see as the air is going in, it's pushing the tire against the rim here. And it is getting full of air, so I'm just going to put a little bit more in it and then we'll get it back on the tractor. Okay, so tire's full of air now. It's all good. Get this slip back on here. Okay, so tire's all good. It's full of air. Get a slip back on the tractor here. Okay, put our washers on. And a little clip. Snap that back into place. And we're good to go. Alright guys, so if you have a tractor that's got a tire that keeps going flat, you can, I don't know if you can actually see, let me zoom in here. Okay, you can see there's some cracks. Let's see, a little leak there. But it's mainly things like this here, these kind of cracks, and that's where your air will leak out of over time. So because it's still got good tread on it, I don't want to just throw it away and buy new ones because they're not terribly expensive, but it's a lot cheaper just to throw a tube in it and get some more life out of it. Alright guys, hope that helps. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, a like, a share, comment if you have to say anything that you want to add to my video. And I guess I'll catch you guys on the next one.